Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. Let's STEM together. I'm Tanya Satchel. Today we're going to do something very traditional. I'm still trying to get my feet wet in water on this whole YouTube thing. So we're going to do a traditional activity. We're going to make a volcano. This is a chemical based activity, so we're exploring the realm of chemistry. So this is very traditional. Kids will see this in their school systems at various times. So why is this important? So this activity focuses on the chemical reactions, the exploring of gas, like where is gas going, right? You see gas, where is it going? Gas is trying to move the quickest route out of its space. So we're going to explore that. How does gas move? How does chemical react? You definitely want to have a rag or something to clean up just in case your lava rolls out of your pan. So let's get into it. So for this activity, you're going to need some vinegar and some dish detergent. You're going to need some safety goggles, some tissues, skewer for stirring, a measuring spoon, baking soda, food coloring, and a flask, a glass flask, and also a good tray. The balloon is for this first activity. We're going to show the effects of chemicals when they are mixed together and the gases that are released. So this is just it's an optional activity, but it really helps kids understand when you do mix two chemicals together, what could happen. And sometimes you don't actually see what happens, because for both of these activities, you're going to use about 60 ml of vinegar or 80 ml of vinegar. You decide based on your size of your flask. So I have a 100 milliliter flask. But they can go up to 150, 200, 500. So depending on which one you have, you need to increase or decrease the amount of vinegar and baking soda just to make sure you're getting a good effect. Enjoyed that activity. I know I did. Making a volcano, you can add more baking soda, you can add more vinegar, make a bigger also don't forget your detergent, and make a bigger eruption for your volcano to have that visual effect that kids love. So enjoy it, like, share.